Hi everyone, it's Heather from Loving Our Age, and I'm so excited today to show you my latest fashion haul. And what I have in this fashion haul is for fall and winter, and it's to really kind of match, the trends that are going on. So the other thing that I like about this is that you can add these pieces to your existing wardrobe and make up some great outfit inspiration. So let's get looking fabulous, starting with my first item, and it's a denim blazer jacket. Now, the big boxy look in jackets has made way for the more shapely look that I'm more a fan of. These days, the style is more womanly than the menswear styles. And this beautiful denim jacket, and we all know denim is trending, is just $51. It's mostly cotton with, of course, the stretch that we all love. It comes in this shade and it's perfect for the trend to mix and match. I decided to wear a satiny V-neck camisole style shirt underneath for just $25, and it's available in 18 colors. Anything silky or satiny is also trending. I paired this jacket for the trendy denim on denim look with my NYDJ Sherry Slim jeans. And by the way, NYDJ stands for Not Your Daughter's Jeans. And it has tummy control stretch. It's about $105. And if you go to the NYDJ page on Amazon, they also have petite sizing. As for the accessories, I decided to be in the pink with the pink slingbacks for $40. A blocked pink purse for $37, and these fun bangles for just about $10. If you love denim, this is a look that's trendy and chic. Now, the one thing that I do look for whenever I'm choosing items for you, I want them to be trendy, fashionable, and items that won't break the bank. All right, so also if you're looking for any of the pieces, the information on them are underneath the video description and also in the comments. And don't forget to go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50 for more of my favorite fashion, beauty, and even housewares items. And if you go to the first section, it's the daily deals, and we update them every single day. But let's get into the next item. It's all about florals, and I have a beautiful floral dress to show you that goes with all kinds of different jackets. Let's take a look. Now, of course, I could just wear this dress on its own with a pair of lovely shoes, but I wanted to embrace fall and winter with almost a boho look, and I'll add to this dress in just a minute. The dress itself has a slimming effect as the floral pattern is on a dark navy background. The dress is just $48 and goes to size extra large. It's fully lined, and again, we have a womanly shape with an elasticized waist. I thought this was the perfect dress for fall and winter, but watch how I can completely change the look by adding a Lee jean jacket for about $39, and it's also stretchy, and a real leather handbag for $85. Plus, let's not forget these great leather ankle boots for $99. And then, of course, add a beautiful fall hat, sunglasses, and you've turned that dress into an outfit that's an absolute head turner. And if you like videos like these made by a woman who's certainly not in her 20s anymore, I would love for you to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere. And don't forget to click on the information bell, because that way you'll be notified when my videos are out. All right, let's get to the next item, and I'm going to be a little bit wild with this one. And that's because animal prints are back. And although many of us still have pieces in our wardrobe, I love the pattern and design of this shirt for around $30. It's so nice to have a long sleeve shirt like this with some body to it, and although it's long sleeves, I like to roll them up, and I just roll them up a little bit. Now, one of the more designer brands from Amazon is The Drop. And here I have a faux leather skirt for just around $54. It's a perfect pairing for this top. I also added black tights and these faux suede booties for $60 to top off the look. And let's add hoop earrings, a chain necklace, Ray-Bans, and that beautiful leather handbag. I have another head turner here. Gorgeous. And I wanted to show you a lightweight, satiny, leopard print kind of camisole that I also bought for about $24. And it's just fabulous because if you like to wear, you know, like a black jacket, black pants, maybe for work or something like that, or a black skirt, this item is going to bring up the outfit from drab to fab. And don't forget, whenever you buy online, know your measurements and check them with each individual item's size chart, because a large is not a large across the board. And also don't forget to stay until the end of this video where, as usual, I'm going to have an inspirational message for you. But now, let's take a look at another trend, and it's all about looking a little bit more ladylike. Class and elegance is evident with this outfit. Here I'm showing my new trendy blush pink coat with a soft, almost cashmere feel. The coat is available in 14 colors to size 2XL for around $60, and it's fully lined with pockets. As I remove the coat, I'm wearing a beautiful sweater dress with lacy sleeves. This could be your new little black dress for fall and winter, and it's available for just $40. I decided to wear simple black hose and black pumps, and this outfit, it also needed jewelry, so I added a chain necklace for $18 and hoop earrings for $14. To polish off the look, I have black leather gloves for $26, along with my Ray-Ban Wayfarer sunglasses to give it that trendy, almost Audrey Hepburn ladylike vibe. Now, one of the things that we've learned about fashion is everything old is new again. So I really hope that you kept a few, leopard print dresses and skirts. But one of the things that I noticed is, as for denim, a lot of the styles are really, really different. So make sure that you're looking at something maybe similar to that blazer that I showed you to help you look trendy and chic. It's so important that you know what the style of the trend is, before you maybe grab a pair of really, distressed ripped jeans and an old jean jacket from the 80s and think that you're matching the new denim vibe. Now, the one thing that I do is I spend hours just looking at, different kinds of trendy items on Amazon, and I'm also reading a lot of the reviews as well. The other important thing that I'm looking for is I'm looking to show you a trend and not a fad, because trends, they last a lot longer. There are so many fads that I won't wear, and I won't show them to you either. What I want to be is your personal stylist for women over 50, 60, and beyond. And what I kind of envision you looking in the mirror as you're leaving the home and sort of just checking everything out. And I want you to leave with confidence and a smile. And to me, that's just one more way to be loving our age.